Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on TikTok app. First of all, let's launch the TikTok app. You want to make sure that you're at your profile, then you go all the way up to the top right corner where you see the three lines. You click on them, then you click on settings and privacy. When you're on settings and privacy, you want to scroll down to the display section. You click on display. And here you have the option to switch from light to dark mode, as we just did. You also have the option to use the device settings, which means that you can match the appearance to your device display on brightness and settings, meaning that if you're in the dark room, the brightness of the phone will automatically adjust with the dark in the room, will not hurt your eyes, because as we all know, when you're in the dark space, you don't want to have your brightness at 100%. This also means that when you're outside, when there is a glare from the sun, it is hard to see the screen, so the screen will automatically adjust with the light outside. So this simply means that the screen will essentially becomes much brighter, so you will be able to see and read. So this is why I choose to toggle this in. You probably can do this as well on your own site. Also very important is that you want to make sure that each and every video that you're posting comes with automatic captions, because sometimes you're in the rush, you forgot to include the captions on your video. This is why you have this option, which is on and off. This will simply allow you to have automatic captions on your videos. Improving your experience while using the TikTok app is to have the faster scroll speed. This means that you're not going to have, glitching, and you're not going to have like a slow moving space from video to video, and you will essentially be able to see more content for shorter time frame. So this is why the faster scroll speed also has to be on, in my opinion. Very important is that if you want to essentially to prevent photosensitive videos, this meaning something that is private, something that might essentially trigger the algorithm in negative impact towards your account, you want to make sure that you have this function photosensitive videos on. This also prevents you from seeing stuff that should not be uploaded, that simply bypass the TikTok algorithm to prevent from you seeing it, shocking images or videos. I think this is something very important as well. Subscribe to the channel, guys, and follow for more.